Hello, beautiful kids. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a lovely time and enjoying at your homes and also learning my rhymes. Are you all learning my rhymes and watching my videos? You must watch the videos, okay? Welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And you know what is our today's rhyme about? It's about the elephant goes. The elephant goes. Let me show you the elephant now. Okay, now we have a elephant here. See, it's in green color. Have you seen an elephant? Some of you have saw and some of you have don't saw. But don't worry, when you will go to the zoo, you will saw many elephants there. Okay? So, elephant has a big nose and we call this trunk. Do you know that? Elephant's nose is called trunk. Okay? This is the biggest nose an animal have and this is called trunk. Okay? This is called trunk. And you know, elephant is the biggest animal on the world. Do you know that? Elephant is the biggest animal on this world. Okay? Now we will start with the rhyme. But you all have to sing the rhyme with me. So are you all ready? Okay, let's get started. Elephant goes like this, like that. Come on everyone, do the actions with me. The elephant goes like this, like that. He's terribly big. He's terribly big. And he's terribly fat. He's terribly fat. He has no fingers. He has no toes. Do you know? Elephant has no fingers and no toes. See, like in this picture, he has no toes and no fingers. Okay, but goodness gracious, what a nose, right? But such a big nose. Okay, so this is a poem about elephant. Now once again we will sing this rhyme. Okay, chaliye. The elephant goes like this, like that. He's terribly big and he's terribly fat. He has no fingers. He has no toes. But goodness gracious, what a nose. Very good everyone. Well done. So it's rhyme about elephant. You will learn about elephant in this, that it has a big nose, it doesn't have toes and fingers, and it's terribly fat, it's terribly big. Okay? So please learn this rhyme and watch this video again and again so that you can learn this rhyme with me. Alright? Now please practice this and I will see you in the next video. Till then class, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.